Hi guys! Sometimes you might have connection issues in Telegram on your laptop or PC even if your internet is okay. Let's try to fix it together. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go! First, make sure you are not using non-working proxy. To do this, open the Telegram menu, 3 bars over here, go to Settings, Advanced, Connection Type, and disable all proxies or make sure your proxy is working. If the problem persists, try to reset your network settings. To do this, hit the Windows key on your keyboard and search for CMD and run command prompt as administrator. Click yes. And now I will execute a series of commands. So write them down and execute in the same way, hitting enter after each command. So the first command, Netch Winshock reset. Enter. Next command, ipconfig flush DNS. Enter. Next command, ipconfig release. Enter. ipconfig renew. Enter. And netch int IP reset. Enter. And try to relaunch Telegram. To relaunch, open the system tray, find the Telegram icon, quit Telegram, and launch again. And one more way to fix Telegram connection issues is to use custom DNS servers. To do this, open your control panel. So go to Start menu, search for the control panel. Switch to View by category, go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Now click on your connection, select Properties, and find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter preferred DNS server 1111 and alternate DNS server 1001. Or also you can use DNS server by Google. It's 8888. And 8844. Now hit OK. Also, you can check DNS server connection, connection speed, which is named ping. To do this, hit the Windows button once again, start typing CMD, open the command prompt as administrator, yes, and typing ping 1.1.1.1. Wait for reply. It's 5 milliseconds and ping 8.8.8.8. Five milliseconds as well, so both servers are good enough. I hope that fixed your Telegram connection problem. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys!